If you're a home chef, outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who values durable and versatile cookware, this commercial chef 2-quart cast iron saucepan with lid is an investment worth making. Combining robust cast iron construction with functional features, this saucepan elevates your cooking experience both indoors and outdoors. In this detailed review, we'll dive deep into its features, benefits, performance, and why it stands out in the crowded cookware market. Key features and benefits. Number 1. High-quality cast iron construction. The commercial chef saucepan is crafted from premium cast iron, ensuring durability and superior heat retention. With dimensions of 13.1 inch by 8.1 inch by 4 inch and weighing 7.7 pounds, it's the perfect size for preparing meals for small gatherings or solo cooking sessions. Why it matters. Cast iron distributes heat evenly, eliminating hot spots and ensuring perfectly cooked meals. Whether simmering soup or frying eggs, you'll achieve consistent results every time. Number 2. Pre-seasoned surface. This saucepan comes pre-seasoned with a well-oiled surface, enhancing its non-stick properties and offering resistance to rust. How it helps you. Forget about food sticking to the pan or the hassle of seasoning it yourself. The pre-seasoning ensures easy food release and effortless cleaning, saving you time and effort. Number 3. Versatile cooking applications. One of the standout features is its versatility. This saucepan is compatible with gas, electric, induction stovetops, and even outdoor grills or campfires. Ideal for making sauces, soups, and stews, sautéing vegetables, cooking eggs, simmering risottos or braising meats, outdoor camping recipes. Pro tip: use this saucepan over a campfire for an authentic outdoor culinary experience. The cast iron material can withstand high temperatures, making it a reliable companion for adventurous cooks. Number 4. Self-basting lid design. The included cast iron lid features a self-basting design, collecting moisture and redistributing it onto your food during cooking. What this means for you. Your meals will retain their juiciness and flavor, ensuring that every bite is as delicious as the last. Number 5. Convenient design elements. The looped handle makes it easy to hang the saucepan for storage, while the helper handle ensures secure handling when transferring it from stove to table. Why it's practical. These thoughtful design features make it easier to maneuver the saucepan, even when it's hot or filled with food. Performance. Does it deliver? Indoor cooking excellence. The commercial chef saucepan performs exceptionally well on all stovetops. Its even heat distribution ensures that sauces and soups don't scorch, while the self-basting lid locks in moisture, enhancing the depth of flavors. Outdoor cooking. Marvel. Over a campfire, this saucepan holds its own. Its sturdy build and ability to maintain consistent heat make it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're preparing a hearty stew or frying up breakfast, this saucepan won't disappoint. Why choose cast iron over other materials? Durability. Cast iron lasts for generations if maintained properly. Versatility. It can transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven to campfire. Health benefits. Unlike non-stick pans, cast iron adds a small amount of iron to your food, which can be beneficial for those with iron deficiencies. How to care for your commercial chef saucepan? 1. Cleaning. Avoid using soap. Instead, rinse with warm water and scrub with a brush or sponge. 2. Seasoning. Periodically apply a thin layer of vegetable oil to maintain the seasoning. 3. Storage. Ensure the saucepan is completely dry before storing it to prevent rust. What customers are saying. The commercial chef saucepan has received glowing reviews from satisfied customers. This cast iron saucepan has completely transformed my cooking. It's durable, versatile, and retains heat like no other pan I've owned. Perfect for camping trips. I made a stew over the fire and it tasted incredible. Highly recommend it. The pre-seasoned surface is a game changer. Nothing sticks, and cleanup is a breeze. Who is this saucepan for? Home cooks, ideal for everyday use, from frying eggs to simmering sauces. Outdoor enthusiasts, perfect for camping and grilling adventures. Food enthusiasts, those who appreciate cookware that enhances the flavor of their meals. Why you should buy the commercial chef cast iron saucepan. 1. Unmatched durability. Built to last for years with proper care. 2. Versatility. Works on all stovetops, grills, and campfires. 3. Pre-seasoned surface. Saves time and effort in maintenance. 4. Self-basting lid. Ensures flavorful and moist meals. 5. Affordable quality. Provides excellent value for its price. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.